Alright, what's up everyone? Happy Memorial Day by the way, and welcome to another one of my adventures. So, having problems again uploading videos on YouTube, but that's not new. We gotta overcome them hassles. Now we're gonna be cooking a big meal. Hamburgers, hot dogs. We did some clamming today. Couldn't get that on video. And that was a whole mess of a day. We found out you can't fit 3 adults on a jet ski, otherwise you'll flip. And we ended up having to drive back, leave my mom at the dock, and she went to see some of her friends while me and my wife did some clamming. But we'll show you the clams we got, and then we bought some monkfish from ShopRite. We'll probably cook that another day, show you how to make them. And we bought some shrimp, sorry babe, and a lobster. But these were the clams we got. Stuck our feet in the mud, dug them up. My wife actually got cut on her one foot. You can kind of see the band-aid through there, but I didn't get cut that bad. Did on my hand a tiny bit, but I pulled the skin off. But yeah, we'll show you how to cook the big clams and everything in the steamer. And what else are we making?
We have to make a lobster.
Ooh, and we gotta make a lobster. Lobster's easy. Just throw it in a pot of water, let it boil. Same as crabs. So let's move all this junk. We should have a clear kitchen, but we have a small kitchen. Alright, so first things first, we want to get our big crab pot. I guess we're going to use the smaller one since it's only one lobster, and then we're going to get our big steamer out. The double one we bought at a yard sale for $2. We'll steam the clams in them. Alright, well, I'm going to get everything set up and I'll bring you guys back. Alright, bye. Alright, so with lobster, same thing. I use some seasoned salt today. Fill it up a little bit halfway, dump some seasoned salt in. Kind of same as Old Bay. Has a little bit of a more saltier taste, but yes, Mom, I have Old Bay, but I want to use seasoned salt today. Yeah, I had to tell my mom like I'm recording a YouTube video, so that'd be nice. But yeah, we're going to use seasoned salt today. That way, it has a better flavor. I gotta clean the lid, but. Check out our lobster. What do we pay for it? $17.17. It was actually $6.99 a pound, but that came off at the register, and it's almost a 2-pound lobster. Let's see what he looks like. Grab that. And there he is, folks.
Look at your cat.
Ah, always with the cat. Like, she knows the Chewy box came in, so that's where she sits. Yo, snowflake. And she's like, what do I do with that? Hope he didn't die. No, he's still alive. Guess the ice he was on put him to sleep, but still gotta get the steamer set up, still gotta get a lot of stuff set up, so we'll bring you guys back once we have all that set up and ready to go. Alright, so steamer's starting to steam. Threw some clams in here. Spaced them out a little bit. Now we're just going to have a lid on.
I'll put the watermelon.
Alright, and wait till they start popping open. But that's simple as that for clams. Lobster, we still got to wait for the water to boil. But we still have all these clams left. We call it, well, we found 29 total, but then on our way home we found 2 were full of mud, so we found 27 that were good. But still gotta, oh, he's waking up now. Yep, there he goes. Still gotta wait for the water to boil, and then we'll bring guys back. Alright, bye. Snowflake. Really?
What? No.
Oh, it's a rubber band.
Yeah, she ate one and then she threw it up the one day.
Oh yeah.
So stop eating rubber bands.
Yep, she's thinking it's crabs. Alright, so I could see a little bit that through the things, some of them are opening. Britt, you want to get the tongs and pull some of these out? So have my wife pull out all the ones that are done. Our water is almost to boiling. Also, if you guys are cooking lobster at home, I recommend cutting a little rubber bands off their claws. If you cook them with the rubber bands on, it tends to have like a rubbery taste in the meat. So I recommend just taking it off. Like, they're pretty much asleep from being on ice and stuff, so they won't pinch you. Alright, let's see how they look. Oh yeah, they look good. They look just as good as the store-bought ones, but these ones were free. Well, I wouldn't say free, we still had to pay $10 per license, per clam and license, so it cost us 20 bucks for our license. But I mean, they look good. The bigger ones do tend to be a little bit chewier than the smaller ones.
Wait, or put more in?
I would put more in. Like, there's no rush, but alright, we'll get you guys back in a little bit once we put the lobster in and we start getting stuff cooking. Alright, bye. So we're about to melt some butter, but as we're doing that, just I look up, that's all I see. Like, she's quiet. She's creepy. And I don't know. Like, she was right here, then she went up there. She's like, I want some of your seafood. Cat's crazy. Alright, so we got a full boiling pot of water. I recommend bringing it to a full boil just because this guy's still alive and we don't want him to suffer much. But putting him in also, kind of just drop him in, make sure he gets submerged really fast, just due to they don't want to suffer. Alright. Alright, so he's in. Didn't suffer, he's already gone. And there's one claw sticking up. There we go. Alright, so he'll be done in about 10-15 minutes, maybe a little bit longer depending on the sizes. And I don't think we got any more clams done, so they're still waiting. But meantime, we'll be off video enjoying the clams we did get out so far. And we'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Alright, I wasn't on video us pulling them out again, but I wanted to show you guys one thing that I saw that I know for me that's experienced with it, I'd rather warn you guys about it. So if you see this bubble, do not put it in your mouth with that. This is full of hot water, so once you tear that open, all the hot water comes out and it will burn your mouth like heck. So I just wanted to warn you guys about that. I don't see any of the other ones have it, but just that one. It actually didn't have that much water in it, but some of them, they tend to have, like if it bursts, it will fill your mouth out with hot water and burn your whole mouth. Alright, so we'll see you guys in a bit. Just wanted to give you that little warning. Alright, bye. This is what I was telling you guys that I have to deal with. Like, she's like prowling on us because the clams are done. And we know she knows not to be on the counter. But it's free reign up there. So she's like testing me. Right? Alright. Alright, so that's our crazy cat. More clams and then here we go. Okay, clams still need time, but the lobster's done. As we can see through there, it looks bright red, so I'll hold the bowl. Britt, you want to pull it out?
No, I'll hold the bowl and I'll hold the camera.
Alright, so she got both things she's holding for me. She's good at holding things. Alright. Oh, as you guys can see, the back of the shell starts lifting up a little bit, so that's a good indicator that he's done. Oh, sorry. Hope I didn't burn you. Just make sure you have a good grip on it, just because they are a little bit heavy. Let some water drain out. But yes, he definitely looks done and looks good to go. So that's how you cook a lobster. We're gonna save them till tomorrow because we already had plenty of seafood today, and we're gonna cook some hamburgers and hot dogs. But he's good enough to eat now. We're gonna let him cool down and then get some of the shell and stuff out. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright, so clams are done, lobster's done. So, want to thank you guys for watching number one of my adventures. We'll see you guys next time. We still gotta wait for these guys to start popping open. But basically showed you all that you need to know. So, if you guys haven't so far, please like and subscribe. Helps me make new videos, and we'll see you next time. Alright, thank you. Bye.